Hey guys, this is how to download a Canva design as a Word document. Now, there isn't a direct way to download a Canva design as a Word document from Canva itself, so we're going to work around that by downloading it as a PDF file. Then we're going to convert that PDF file to a Word document. So what we're going to do is just click on Share, and then click on Download. Then under the file type, make sure that PDF standard is selected. Then click on download and just wait for it to download the PDF. Now it's in my downloads. Now what I need to do is just open another tab and go to ilovepdf.com and then click on PDF to Word. Then you can drop the PDF file there, or you can just select it and browse for it. So I'm just going to drop it. And then you can click on Convert to Word. And now it quickly converted my file to a Word document, so I can just click on Download Word. And then I downloaded my Word document, so let me just open it up. And now I have my Canva design downloaded as a Word document. Hope that video is helpful, guys.